In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user to Google Ads account. Whether you're onboarding a teammate or giving an agency temporary access, I'll walk you through the exact clicks so it's fast, secure, and completely under your control. First, open your browser and search for Google Ads. In the results, click the official Google listing that points to ads.google.com. Before you proceed, make sure you see the lock icon and ads.google.com in the address bar so you know you're on the legitimate, secure site. Click Sign In and log in with the Google account that owns or manages the ads account you want to share. If you use multiple Google accounts, confirm you're in the one tied to the correct Google Ads profile so you're granting access to the right place. Once you're in the Google Ads interface, go to Admin on the left-hand navigation. From there, select Access and Security. This page shows who currently has permission, their roles, and status, giving you a clear snapshot before you add someone new. To create an invitation, click the blue plus button. A panel opens for the new user's details. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Use an address they actively check, ideally the same one on their Google account, so they can accept without issues. Next, choose the access level. Admin grants full control, including user management and billing. Standard allows day-to-day campaign work without changing user access. Read-only lets someone view campaigns and reports without making edits. Pick the minimum level the person needs to do their job. This keeps your account secure and clean. If you only need to share access for a limited time, set an end date so their permissions expire automatically. This is especially helpful for short projects, audits, or trial engagements, and it prevents old access from lingering. When everything looks correct, click Send Invitation. The person you invited will get an email from Google Ads, and they must accept before access is activated. Until they accept, you'll see their status marked as pending in Access and Security. If necessary, you can adjust or cancel the invitation from the same screen. That's it. You've opened Google Ads, navigated to Admin, selected Access and Security, invited your user with the right role, set an optional end date, and sent the invite. With these steps, you can collaborate confidently while maintaining tight control over who sees and edits your campaigns.